KHALIF KAIRO, a well-known Nairobi businessman and car dealer, whose real name is Joseph KAIRO Wambui, was arrested on Tuesday on charges of obtaining money by false pretense. The arrest took place at one of his car yards in Nairobi, following claims that he accepted large sums from a client but failed to deliver the vehicles or issue a refund. KAIRO was taken to Kasarani Police Station for questioning, with authorities confirming that the investigation has widened after more complainants came forward with similar allegations. "We arrested him today after he pocketed millions from a buyer and has been elusive in refunding the money or delivering the cars," stated the Kasarani Sub-County Criminal Investigations Officer. Along with KAIRO, 3 of his employees were also detained to aid in the investigation. Nairobi's Regional Criminal Investigations Officer confirmed that further inquiries are underway to address the growing number of complaints. Although earlier reports on social media speculated that KAIRO's arrest was carried out by Interpol, local law enforcement clarified that it was a domestic investigation. In response to his arrest, KAIRO took to social media platform X, formerly Twitter, downplaying the situation. He described his legal troubles as routine challenges entrepreneurs face and dismissed the seriousness of the accusations. His post, however, elicited mixed reactions from the public. While some netizens expressed skepticism, viewing his justification as dismissive, others offered support and encouragement, highlighting the pressures entrepreneurs often face in high-stakes industries like car dealing. This high-profile arrest highlights the increasing scrutiny on Kenya's auto industry, particularly on car dealerships involved in high-value transactions. KAIRO's case sheds light on the potential pitfalls within the sector, where large sums are exchanged with minimal safeguards for buyers. Public trust in car dealerships could be eroded if regulatory bodies fail to act decisively. For entrepreneurs, the incident serves as a reminder of the importance of ethical business practices and maintaining transparency with clients. The outcome of this case could set a precedent, prompting tighter regulations and more thorough oversight in Kenya's automotive sales industry. Whether KAIRO's claims of entrepreneurial hardship will hold weight or not, the situation underscores the necessity for businesses to prioritize integrity and customer satisfaction over short-term gains.